Long division with remainders. This is a digital lesson with number chips. So it takes students down to the basics of how to do long division. It starts with some definitions, the dividend, divisor, and quotient, and then it shows where they go in the box or house, some people call it. So the dividend is the number being divided. The divisor, it's what is being divided by. And the quotient would be the solution or the answer. So if we have 58 divided by 9, the 58 is going to go inside the box or inside the house. What it's divided by, the divisor will go outside. So that very first number goes in the box. So the students are going to be moving these number chips. So they just have to click and hold and they can move them into place. Every slide has all of the numbers they're going to need, so that helps them move toward the correct answer. So all they're doing on this slide is they're just showing how they would put this problem, 52 divided by 7, inside the house or the box. So 52, so they're going to put their 52 inside and the divisor 7 on the outside. And again, they're going to use every single chip. 65 divided by 4. And the purpose of this slide is just get students used to where these numbers go in division. So 32 divided by 7. And again, we've used every single chip. Now here's another method for remembering the steps. Dad, mom, sister, brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So we're going to start with the divide part. How many times will 5 go into 17? Well, it goes in 3 times. That makes 15, which means there's 2 left over. So on the next slide, all they're going to be doing is looking to see how many times your divisor goes into your dividend. And the answers are down here at the bottom. The students, again, are moving the chips. So 6 goes into 45 7 times, which is 42. So there's going to be some left over. 7 goes into 38 5 times with some left over. And 5 goes into 6 1 time. Now the first step is to divide, which they did on the previous slide. And the second step is to multiply. So you're going to multiply the numbers outside the box. So we're going to show 36 divided by 8. Well, they already know where to put the numbers, the dividend, and the divisor. And then 8 goes into 36 4 times. So the next step they're going to learn is to multiply these numbers on the outside. And they get 32. 8 times 4 is 32. They're going to put the 32 right underneath the 36. So that's just the next step. The third step is to subtract. So here again, 36 divided by 8. They already know where to put the numbers. 36 divided by 8. Well, 8 goes into 36 4 times. So they're going to move a 4. Now they're going to do the next step, which is to multiply. So dad, mom, sister, brother, they divided. Now they multiply. They get 32. And the next step is subtract. So 36 subtract 32, and they get 4. Their 4 is their remainder, so the 4 is going to go down here. And their quotient is 4. So it's 4, remainder 4. So they're just going to continue doing this, walking it through the steps. Eventually, they're going to do more of the work themselves without any prompting. And then the final slide, they're pretty much going to do this all on their own. But all of the numbers, again, for each slide are on here. Now, when they get to the end, they get just a slide that tells them they did an excellent job. Now, included in this product is a teacher Teacher Key. So it has all of the slides that are completed so the teacher can see how they're supposed to be completed and finished, and then there will be the video. So enjoy.